In this video, we are going to see under basic tactics pawn promotion theme. If you like this video, kindly press like button and also subscribe button. The pawn promotion is one of the basic tactics which could combine well with other tactics to give an effective finish. Now moving on to the position here, the black queen is blockading the white pawn. So we have to remove the white queen in order to promote the pawn. So first move is queen into rook. Now if queen into queen, pawn can be promoted. So pawn moves to the 7th rank and the promotion of the pawn cannot be stopped. So now we will move on to the next position. Here the black's back rank weakness helps white in promoting the pawn. So now rook to c3 here. The pawn cannot be captured because of rook c8 is checkmate. So black has to play g6. Now rook to c8 check, rook into rook, pawn into rook, queens. So now the third position. Here the discovered check helps promoting the pawn. So now white plays queen into c7. So after queen into c7, then pawn push to the 7th rank and also a discovered check by the bishop. So king has to move now, king to g7, then pawn promotes to a knight because it forks king and queen. Now king to f8, n into queen. So if black moves to h8 also, pawn promotes to a queen. Now king g7, then queen g8 is made here. So now to the fourth position. Here the black rook and king stands on the same rank. So a simple check by the white rook promotes the pawn. So rook d5 check, rook into rook, pawn queens. Now here there is a good combination involving pin and fork. So white plays first queen b5, pinning the black queen. If queen into queen, then pawn c8, queen check, king to f7. Now queen into knight check. This is the point here. King into queen, then knight c7 check picks up the queen. So now white is a piece up. So after knight d4, if black wants to support the queen, the pin is maintained. So white can play c8 queen and wins easily. So now we will move on to the black queen's position. So here there is a pawn on g2. So black plays rook f1 check. If king into g2, then rook into a1. So rook is free. So white has to play rook into f1 only. So for rook f1 check, rook into f1 is forced now. But there is an intermediate move. Here black plays queen into h2 check, a decoying theme. So queen into h2 check, king into h2 is forced now. So after king into h2, pawn into rook knight check because knight forks the king and queen. So after king g2, knight into d2 wins easily. Now moving on to the next position, we see a check helps in clearing the defender of the 8th rank. So black plays queen b5 check, king to e1. So queen into b3. So after queen into b3, pawn push, queen wins. So moving to the next position, we see again a decoying theme only. Black plays rook d1 check. Rook into rook is forced. Now rook f1 check. So king into f1. Now pawn into rook, queens wins easily. Thanks for watching.